In this lecture, we are going to use this command to move the private key from the downloads directory into the home directory on our Mac computer. The reason why I want us to move our private key from the downloads directory into the home directory is because when we run the command to SSH into our VM, the key will already be in the home directory, which is where we will run our SSH command from. If you leave the key in your downloads directory, you will have to specify the full path to the key when you run your SSH command. So it is easy to move the key into your home directory and just run the command from there. So the first thing I want you to do is verify that your private key is in the downloads directory. As you can see, my private key is in the downloads directory. When you download the key from Azure, it should save in your downloads directory by default. Another thing I want you to confirm is that the name of your key is the same as the name I have in the command. So if the name of your key is different, make sure you update the command to whatever name you have given your private key. You can see here I called my private key dev-vm-key.pem. Once you have confirmed these two things, open the terminal. Then we are going to run the first command, which is going to move the key from the downloads directory into the home directory. Copy the first command and paste it in the terminal. Then press enter. If you don't get any output, it means that we have successfully moved the key. We are going to run the next command to set the permission on the key. Usually you have to do this on Mac. The command is chmod 600, the name of the key. So copy the command, paste it in the terminal and press enter. And there you go. We have successfully run the chmod 600 on the private key to give it some permission. The next thing we are going to do is run the last command to verify that the key is in the home directory. Copy it, open your terminal, paste it in here, and press enter. And there you go. Once you paste the key, if you get this output, it means that we have successfully moved the key into the home directory on our Mac computer. To visually verify what we just did, if you open the Finder, you can see in the downloads directory, the key is no longer there. The key has been moved to my home directory, which you can see here. Just in case if you don't see the home on your Mac, click on the Finder. Once you click on the Finder, you should see Finder here. Select it and select Settings. And here, make sure the Home button is checked. That is how you see your home directory in the Finder. Then once you check it, X out, and you should see the home directory here. Select it, and in it, you should see your private key. Another thing I want to point out is the home directory you see here is the same as the one you see in your Mac terminal. So this is how you move your private key from the downloads directory into the home directory. If you have any questions or there's any part you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.